everybody, it's Andrea Mercier, aka Annalum, and welcome to my studio. Today is going to be the second piece that I am doing for the CAC hashtag event for January, Color of the Year Art, using those two paints, Rose Quartz and Serenity. My first piece, which you can see right here, was called Serenity Bay. And this one is another one completely outside of my comfort zone. So let's get started on that. Making me really uncomfortable. Here's my two colors, Rose Quartz and Serenity. And this is a 12 by 12 canvas panel, so I'm actually going to have to make this a little bit, oops, wrong way, sorry. There we go. Okay, and I've decided to reward myself by giving myself a brand new palette paper. Actually, that can go there. I'm going to need some white and some brushes. I'll be right back. Okay, got my brushes, got my water. I'm going to be using some matte medium. I talked about in the first video that I did, Serenity Bay, that the dry gesso and the dry wall paint can be very hard to blend. So I've been working with some matte medium just to give it some slipperiness so I can do blending. So we're gonna put some of that out and some white. Get some matte medium down here so that we can do some blending. I'm going to do a second coat. I just don't like the depth of color that I have, so I'm going to redo it all again and just get more coverage. I'm just going to start by really getting that down. There, I like that much better. Oops, can't really see that with my lights. There we go. I like that much better. That needs to thoroughly dry now. All right. I'm just trying to find the orientation I like. I think I like it this way. Yeah, I like it this way. I forgot to mention that this piece was inspired by this little thing here that I found in a magazine and a video by Mark Charles called Dawn Bird, and I'm going to link it right there. So those are my inspirations for this particular piece. I'm just using the Rose Quartz and the Serenity. Okay, we're back. This is dry. It's got a coat of matte medium on it to protect it so that when I do my little design, if I don't like it, I can wipe it off. Just adding a little bit of matte medium Just a little bit of matte medium. All right. I need some water. And I need a wipe. Okay, we're good to go. Okay. That was super stressful. This is why I do abstract work, because making stuff look real is hard for me. Oh my God. Okay. So there we go. It's done. I'm going to put a coat of matte medium on it when it's completely dry to seal it. And I'm going to sign it right now. Let's do that. Let's sign it. I don't know if I've told you before, but when you're signing, make sure you're at least a 1/4 inch in from both sides so that it doesn't get cut off by any framing. Actually, you know what? I'm going to stop putting the year on. Oh, I won't be this time. That's a permanent marker. Well, it's a paint marker. All right, there we go. Okay. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe right here so you can come back and join me on my artful journey. I have links in the dibbly-doo to my Facebook, my Etsy store, and my webpage, and I would love for you to come back and join me on my journey. I really appreciate you coming along with me. I'll see you soon. Bye!